abavugi b'ebyiruka nibashabwa okuhumuraho ekirukumara n'okurya kurungi kibahwere obutagwejegera barikuvuga engyendo ningwa. Bigambirwe Fred Karungi Kabuye kuruga omu kitongole kya National Drug Authority obwabaire navuga n'abavugi b'ebyiruka omuri Mbarara Tax Park. Kabuye nagira ngu hariho abavugi abarukoresa ebitokoza bwongo n'ebyokunywa bitari bimwe na bimwe ngo bagume biine amaani agumize ngo omuzogu ni mubi kandi gwine kurekwa aho naho.
We have organized a sensitization campaign to equip and empower the public transport operators on how best they can manage their routes, how best they can fight accidents, how best they can be on the road without the influence of substance and drugs. Because we very well know that during festive season they overwork and that push them to use drugs and substances.
Oguhona arabwira abantu abarukutambura mbyiruka okwetantara kugura embazi y'abatembeyi agumize nebetara ha mutindo.
Encourage Ugandans not to buy drugs from hawkers because there is no assurance that what they are selling is safe, effectuous and of good quality. So in case you feel you are sick or you need to prepare for this festive season, kindly go to a professional health practitioner, get the drug, get treated, get the medicine.
Abavugi b'ebyiruka basimire National Drug Authority ahabwo Obwegyese bashemerire kora baba bari haruguto bagumize ngo iki kikozo rwo mbwire obo barbize na Noohiri.
Batusomeseza abantu abakulu abakozesa ebiragalagala awamu n'okutamira okususse kyabulabe eri obulamu bw'omuntu ate nga ddala kituufu kyekituviiriddeko abantu bonna okuzinywamu.
Ntwali mu kishogo kusiima ba National Drug Authority abo kwija kutwegyesa embazi y'ekinyankore y'ebishaka abantu ebibakukozesa ebibakutambuza omu baasi na munonga omu baasi na na taxi.
Gashakwa na Good Fatuma.